Hello traders, my name is Paul and this is the official video from the CScalp team. Nowadays there are so many security measures and one of the most reliable is two-factor authentication. What is two-factor authentication? This is the method of confirming that you are the owner of your account. It works like this. The phone receives a security code in the form of SMS or in a special application. We enter this code in a special field and send it for verification. If verification is successful, we'll be able to log into the account. Let me show you on the example of Binance Exchange. Click Login, enter email and password, complete the CAPTCHA, and then we will see the field for a security code for Google Authenticator. I enter the code, and done, I log into my account. Hover your mouse cursor on your profile icon and select Security. Click on Enable button next to the Google Authenticator. Click on the Google Authenticator section and click Next after downloading the mobile app. Then, scan the QR code or enter the code manually using the application and click Next. Copy the backup key in a safe place on your computer or write it down somewhere on paper. And click the Next button. Now you need to confirm your account. Press Get Code buttons and enter security codes from SMS, from email and from Google Authenticator. Then click Next. Alright guys, we set up two-factor authentication. We recommend you to use Google Authenticator because it's connected via a secret key and it constantly generates one-time codes, making it more difficult to track and steal, unlike SMS codes, where mobile operators' databases are more vulnerable to hacking. There are other authentication applications such as Binance Authenticator or Authy, depending on the source that you use. Two-factor authentication is an additional security measure, and exchanges use it frequently to protect their users from hacking and stealing accounts. I think guys we can finish the video. I explained what two-factor authentication is and how it works. If you have any questions, write them in comments. Press thumbs and subscribe our channel if you like the video. Goodbye traders and be safe.